Now our CNA Jenna is going to show you a pivot transfer from bed to wheelchair. Place the wheelchair alongside the bed. Always lock the wheelchair before seating the person in it or getting the person out of it to transfer. You want to begin by assisting the patient to an upright sitting position at the edge of the bed. If the person is in a hospital bed, be sure to lower the position of the bed so that their feet touch the floor. If the person is not in a hospital bed, you should bend at your knees, slowly pulling the person forward until the feet touch the floor. Then place the gait belt around the person's waist, below the ribs. Tighten the belt so that only 2 fingers can be inserted between the body and the belt. Place one hand on each side of the belt. Slowly stand up straight with your loved one. Keep a hold of the belt and steer the person right or left.